Hi, this week and the next, you're going to be doing stoichiometry and stoichiometry questions and calculations. So I'm going to show you how to make a quick foldable that can help you figure out how to do those in dimensional analysis or train tracks. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the foldable, and I'll show you how to make it in just a minute. But this foldable right here shows you how to convert from moles of one substance to moles of another substance. And the way you do that is you start with your train track. Your train track will look like this. And on the front, you're going to put your given in your number of moles. And then after that, you're going to put your mole ratio. This is the moles of the compound that you're looking for divided by the moles of the compound you have. And this mole ratio right here comes directly from your balanced chemical equation. It's the coefficient of the thing you're looking for in front of the formula and the coefficient of the thing that you already have right here. And that way your moles of your given cancels with your moles of your given down here, and it leaves you with the moles of what you're looking for. Now, if you're trying to convert to grams, you open up your foldable like this. Notice the mole ratio is still in the same place. So we start with our given number of moles. We have our mole ratio right here, which comes from your balanced chemical equation. So the moles of the compound that you're looking for, or pardon me, that you're given, your moles of given, cancels with your moles of given in the balanced chemical equation. You have the moles of what you're looking for on top from the balanced chemical equation. And then lastly, we have 1 mole on the bottom, which will cancel with the mole here. And on the top, we have the molar mass of the compound that we're looking for. And this number right here is always 1 mole. Okay, this number right here could be any number of moles. It comes from your balanced chemical equation. Now, if you're trying to go from grams to moles, then we'll close this up like this and we'll open it right here. So here we have our number of grams, and we start with that. That's our given. We have 1 mole on top of our given, and then underneath we have the molar mass of our given. So what this does is this cancels grams with grams, and it leaves us with moles of given, and then we end up with our mole ratio here. It's in the same place. It just has an extra thing in front. So our mole ratio of number of moles of given from our balanced chemical equation, and on top we have our moles of what we're looking for also from our balanced chemical equation. Lastly, what do we do if we want to go from grams to grams? We open this all the way up. Notice the mole ratio is still in the same place. So we have our grams of our given, 1 mole of our given divided by the molar mass of our given. That means grams and grams cancel. We have our mole ratio still in the same place, but we have moles of what we're looking for divided by moles of our given. So this cancels with this moles right here. These numbers right here come from the balanced chemical equation. It says mole ratio here. And then finally, now that we have moles of what we're looking for, we need to convert it into grams. So we put our molar mass of our given, or pardon me, of our what we're looking for right here, divided by 1 mole. So mole cancels with however many moles we have here from our balanced chemical equation. And we have grams, our molar mass. So this will work a lot better, or this will help you a lot more if you have one of these of your own. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to take this picture and draw it, and you're also going to take this and draw this on the back. Now, you don't have to pause the screen and do this if you don't want to. You can just look just below where I've got this video posted, and I have these pictures, and you could even print them if you wanted to. Just make sure that you don't print this one and this upside down, right? You want to print them right side up like that. Okay? Hope this helps.